Okay. There we go. All right. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go through so many cycles. Okay. You've seen all that, right? Okay. So technically the engine light should be off. So let's find out. Let's start it up. It's been, there we are. There we go. Now hopefully it'll stay off. I think I'll end the video right here. So, thank you for staying this long. Really appreciate it. This is a 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. So then I'll post it that way too, you know, fixing it. Because, anyways, that's mostly about the smoke machine, but about fixing this. That's what I bought the smoke machine for. But again, thank you so much for watching this far. And just thank you. And pray and think positive. Have a blessed and awesome week, and God bless you. Bye-bye.